The Flyers had a hybrid approach to this game, utilizing the recent net front strategy plus the Tortorella signature shot blocking style. Hi, this is Rachel Donner from Locked On Flyers with your post-game instant reaction to the Flyers 3-1 win versus the Carolina Hurricanes. We've been talking about the last few games where the underlying numbers just aren't there for the Flyers, but the net front goals were. So the Flyers were well outchanced, but were able to get the win. In addition, Owen Tippett continues to produce, and Ryan Poehling took advantage of the extra minutes on the third line to have an impact on the scoreboard and with his shot blocking. For more on this game and the Flyers all season long, tune in to the Locked On Flyers podcast.